Hey, all, Brad here with another quick video. This one's on the bench. Customer of mine, Joel, I just did a board set for him recently, Joust. He was real happy with it, and he asked if I could rebuild his control panel for him. It had been done before. A lot of the buttons were sticking, the controls were kind of sloppy. So he ordered up replacement parts, got two new complete joysticks, all the buttons. It had the wrong leaf switches in it. This control panel was converted at some point. So I went through and redid it all. I'll show you here on the control panel. We've got the new joystick knob, button, player 1 start, player 2, player 2 move and flap. And then inside the CPU, we'll take a look here. Let me kind of flip it around here. When I was working on it, I did have a towel on the bench I was using here. So there we are inside. We've got the new leaf switches in there. Might be kind of hard to see, it's a little dark. Everything's soldered up real nice. We've got the new tall Williams style leaf switches. They don't need the little spacers. New buttons. I put some LED bulbs in here. There are some people turn me on that actually have like a bendy light, so you can point them and aim them at the switch. I might get a couple of those and see how they work in my game, and maybe recommend those to others as well. But it's been completely gone through. I have a little tool here as well. It's got a slot at each end. It's specifically designed for adjusting leaf switches. It's got like a little groove there, and then on the straight end as well. So you can go into these leaf switches. So I've adjusted all these perfectly, both the left and right for each player. It's the same amount of displacement before, your ostrich changes direction. So also on these, I have some of this closed cell foam. It's adhesive backed on one side, and this is exactly like Williams used. It goes on this black strip here. That touches the glass. It's real common for people, if they wanted to play next, they'd put a quarter up, like on the pool table. Well, they would set it on the glass on these, and if this foam piece is missing, it would drop down inside the control panel and potentially fall through and short, power supply or something if it ended up inside. And this also keeps any spills from happening. Plus, there's staples that hold that plastic to the wood. And, it's metal on glass, never sounds good, and it could potentially break it. So anyway, I buy this stuff, big rolls of it like this. It's really nice, and this was completely missing, so it's got a fresh strip of that on there. So this is good to go. I'm going to put it in my Joust machine, just kind of set it on top, and verify everything's working on it. So that'll be another quick video.